Good morning, children. Today we are going to do Worksheet 5, Unit 5. Don't be afraid of the dark. Helen Keller. Complete the poem. We had learned the poem of Don't be afraid of the dark, right? Now here few lines are empty, you can see. So you have to learn the poem. What you have to do? You have to learn the poem and fill in the blanks which the lines are empty. So shall we start? Okay. Be friends with night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. So dear children, you have to learn the full poem and then the missing which part is there, that you have to fill it up after learning the poem. Now we'll do true and false exercise. Write T for true and F for false sentences. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. Is it true? No, it is false. So we'll write F-A-L-S-E, false. 2 number, Helen could not hear and see. So it is true, Helen had fallen sick. Due to her illness, she lost the sight and she lost the hearing power. So it is true. T-R-U-E, true. Third, the poet tells the child to think of friends after it's dark. So this is also true. When it is dark, you think about your friends so you don't feel afraid or don't be scared. Miss William was an old teacher. Was it? No, she was a young teacher. So it is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So once again we will do the exercise. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. So it is false. The Helen could not hear and see. So this is true. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. So it is true. Miss William was an old teacher. No, this is false. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Answer the following question. What does the poet tell the little one? The poet tells the little one not to be afraid of the dark. Yes, here the poet is telling that don't be scared of dark when it is dark. What did people think? Why? Question 2. Answer 2. People thought that Helen could not learn anything because she could not see or hear. Question 3. What did Helen finally understand? Answer 3. Helen finally understood that words were the most important thing in the world and that they would tell her everything she wanted to know. So children, this is the answer to the following questions. Once again we will repeat. What does the poet tell the little one? The poet tells the little one not to be afraid of the dark. 2. What did people think? Why? Answer 2. People thought that Helen could not learn anything because she could not see or hear. Question 3. What did Helen finally understand? Answer 3. Helen finally understood that words were the most important thing in the world and that they would tell her everything. Now we'll go to the next question. What we have to do over here, circle the words that are not helping verbs in each row. We have to circle the words which are not helping verbs. So shall we start? Okay, 1 number. Can, shall, say, will. So which is not helping verb? S-A-Y, say. Been, what, am, should. So what is the helping verb? Has, had, on, could. So on, on is the helping verb. Will, can, shall, then. Then is not a helping verbs. So which are not helping verbs? S-A-Y, say. W-H-A-T, what. O-N, on. T-H-A-N, then. These are not helping verbs. Now we'll do another exercise. Circle the helping verbs in the sentences given below. In the first exercise, what we did, circle the words that are not helping verbs. And this exercise which we are doing, we have to circle the helping verbs, which are helping verbs in these sentences. So 1 number, my cousin have come with us. So it is a helping verb. She does not know how to play Chinese checkers. So does is a helping verb. We are overjoyed that we could convince her to come. So ARER is a helping verb. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. We'll go to the next exercise. Rewrite these sentences using the shortened forms of not with the helping verbs. We have to what do shortened forms of not with the helping verbs. So we'll start. I cannot run as fast as my cousin. Over here cannot is written. We have to shorten cannot. So what we will write over here? I can't run as fast as my cousin. Over here can't will come. 2 number. We are not happy with the high temperatures of the summer. So are not we have to shorten and with the helping verbs. So we aren't happy with the high temperature of the summer. We should not shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. So over here helping verb is what? Shouldn't. We shouldn't shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. 4th number, is he not coming for the picnic? So over here what we are going to do? Is and not is there. So it is, isn't he coming for the picnic? Will you not have the sandwiches? So over here will make it, will and not is over here. So what we are going to do? Won't. Will do, will write won't. Won't you have the sandwiches? So once again we will read this exercise, children. I cannot run as fast as my cousin. I can't run as fast as my cousins. 2 number, we are not happy with the high temperatures of the summer. We aren't happy with the high temperature of the summer. 3 number, we should not shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. We shouldn't shout in class, but we can shout at the picnic. Is he not coming for the picnic? Isn't not he coming for the picnic? Will you not have the sandwiches? Won't you have the sandwiches? So, dear children, complete this exercise in your English notebook with neat and tidy work, with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.